Girl, to all strong independent woman there, so watch it. If hindi ka sang strong independent woman, pwede ka na mag-scroll. So, this video is for all single strong independent woman. So, sa makarelate, pa tayo maglantok. It will change your perspective in life. Charot! Like, di ba, ma-feel mo talaga yung presence ng Sabat, parang ganun. So, dito sa church dito, tayo nung ginagamit. So, gumawa ako ng parang to study the Word of God. Anong ginawa ko? Sige, nagbasa ako. So, for the first time, nagbasa ako ng books for 4 pages. Yeah! You reader yan. Ganun. So, and then after that, meron silang pa-kids activity because this is their year-end celebration. So, syempre, sumali tayo. Ay, hindi. Nag-video lang pala ako. So, after that, syempre, may follow my favorite. May papinsa pa tayo sa mayor. Charot lang. Napaka-perfect ng plating. Charot lang. So, meron, gusto kong i-share itong tinatawag nila na Buloy Kai 1. Buloy is just like the sweets and then Kai is egg. Look, sa dessert yung egg dito. Dessert yung egg. At sa nakikita nyo, hindi ko siya talaga kinain. Kasi, diba, just like, it's so, you know. Pak, ganun. Outfit check. Thank you for watching. Be safe, be happy, be healthy, and God bless everyone. Mwah!